Hi.
Hello.
What are we talking about today?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Still good morning.
It's afternoon. We're live. Okay, today, it's the beginning of the month. We get to announce the committed club for September. Pretty cool. And we have an exciting, let's not cover you up, right? Committed club, we'll move that over there.
Put it
Here,
above.
right, there we go. Committed club for September. That is going to come up. We're offering a free Fit Aid O2 punch card for the winner of September. And now that we have the end of the quarter, we take all the names of people who made the committed club 3 months in a row, put them in another drawing, and they are going to win $50 off of their next membership bill. I am one generous dude, aren't I? $50. That's a lot of money in this COVID kind of world.
Oh, yeah.
You know, what do you think? It's just rich people here? Anyway, so let's get to crack-a-lackin'. What do we got? Here is our list
What's the name?
for
'Cause I
this
can't see
month.
from here.
You can't see. We got Raul. And look at that, Stephen Herring. Stephen Herring was committed that month. Jacqui, Jose, even though nobody knows who he is, he was good. Robert, of course, Robert Abs Barger, we got it. Daniel Vaughan, Jacob Paul, and Jana, obviously on this list. Timothy, nicest man in the gym, Timothy. Thomas, Lorenza, of course. Dixon, Sydney. You might not know Dixon or Sydney because they're 5:30 a.m. committed people, right? You've probably never met them, but they are phenomenal.
I wake up at that time too.
And they're really fit.
Yeah.
They're really fit because they are committed. And Katia. Katia, is she our youngest adult member?
Yeah.
Might be. Yeah, very cool. So congratulations to everybody there. And what I'm going to do is I have them all here. And let's go to our random.org. There we go. Except let's get rid of this. Boom. Okay. Are we ready? You got the sound effects?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
Okay, we need a drum roll.
That.
Okay, there we go. And the winner is Timothy!
Yeah.
Good job, Tim. Good job, Tim. He is the winner of the September Committed Club. Does he drink Fit Aid?
Oh,
I think he
yeah.
does. I think he
Oh,
does.
yeah.
There's a card with your name on it, Tim. Come see us. And by the way, if you guys all haven't seen Tim's pictures he put on the internet, he is ridiculously good looking and fit. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's go to the quarter. These people did 3 months in a row on the Committed Club. And you'll notice these are very familiar names because we announce them every month. But we got Robert, Raul, Daniel, Jana, Jacob, Thomas, Sydney, Marlee, Lorenza, and Dixon. And if you're kind of wondering what happens when you're this committed for 3 months in a row, every one of these people, I'm assuming, looks really good naked. They're fit and healthy and crushing life, and it's just better to be committed like these people. Why aren't you talking? Did I make it weird?
A little.
Okay, great. Well, let's go and see who wins the $50 off. Hold on. Let's get rid of that. Got it. Okay, here we are. Boom.
There you go.
Random.org. Drum roll. There we go. And Robert. Congratulations, Robert. He's a multiple-time winner. Congratulations. We're very thankful for you and your abs. And CrossFit, working against gravity, it works.
Yep.
And we'll see you guys next month.